Good morning, sweet thing. So I've got my coffee here and I'm going to tell you a story. So I woke up this morning very cold and I was already, it's been cold. It's like basically zero, and windy. And I wake up and the house feels really kind of cold. I get up, go to the bathroom, and then I realize the thermostat upstairs reads 47 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't do Fahrenheit, I'm so sorry. I don't know what it is in Celsius. That's cold. And I realized that the gas stove downstairs must have gotten blown out in the night because we had so much wind. I think it got blown out. It is old, so I had to tinker with it for a bit, but I did finally get it turned back on, so the house is warming up again. I think we've already reached 49 degrees. But I am in bed in half a dozen blankets. I've got my hot coffee, my robe, wool socks. I'm freezing.